Hi, I'm Lou and I got this EUREKA flash vacuum for my wife about a year ago. Yesterday, she just turned it off and this switch started smoking like crazy. The label on the bottom of the vacuum says, "Call this number for parts or service." Notice it says nothing about voiding the warranty if you open up the vacuum. So 2 minutes and 7 screws later, I was able to get this plastic shell off the top. And then I just unhooked all these wires from the circuit board and it comes out like this. As you can see, there's a huge hole burned in the side of the switch that was causing the smoke. So I called EUREKA customer service and they said the good news is there's a 3-year warranty on that product, and the bad news is that since you took out the screws, you screwed yourself and voided the warranty, and we won't help you at all, and we won't even send you a part. Luckily I had another switch that I just soldered in place of the old one, and that seems to get the job done. So EUREKA customer service totally sucks, but I still got it going again. Thanks for watching.
That's really, really nasty. So we had vacuumed about a week ago with our robotic EcoVac, and already there's more. So literally this was just the carpet and under the sofa.
So?
This part is broken off as it attached is in here and is released by that button.
Stop working.
This part is missing.